picked up a Baba Special.
I did. Floating around the internet, you know, it's like, especially on the B58 platform, you see all these trends about Alibaba this and that and everything else for exhaust and how it's the same and so on and so forth. So for the X5, which has a twin turbo V8 in it, nobody makes anything. The bumper configuration's weird and stuff like that, and it exits through the exhaust, so no manufacturers out there make any at all, including just your generic Alibaba searches. However, I reached out directly to a manufacturer and sent them some pictures and stuff when I had my factory exhaust off, and they agreed that they could do it. So they built a system for me straight from overseas, and you can quote unquote call it the Alibaba Special, because that is what I was invoiced through. So we're gonna cut it open and see if it looks like it's gonna fit. If it fits, it works. It is valved too, so.
Well, a valved Alibaba exhaust.
Supposed to be 3-inch, which I think my factory stuff is 2.5. Is it resonated? What the heck is that?
Might not be a bad thing.
No, I mean,
Might help you out.
I'll be happy. Yeah. Let's keep exploring. Shipped and all was $1,000.
Oh, it's valved?
Yeah.
That's cool. They don't make one for the My X6. They make one for the X6M, but not the 50i, but the bumpers are different. So I can't buy one for an X6M. The exits are in different places.
There's the Valvetronic muffler.
Well, they etched it on both sides.
Yeah, that's right.
That's it.
Oops, sorry. Tips together. So,
You know, that makes a lot more sense.
yeah, I was like, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. I feel retarded now, but it's okay. I'm just trying to look in the center. It looked like an open hole for webbing.
It's not good as big as these pipes are.
It's supposed to be 3-inch.
Yeah, because factory's 2.5.
So, okay, so I was right. That's what I said a while ago. I think it was 2.5. I couldn't remember.
Quality seems pretty good. I just gotta hope it fits.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
It's more about fitment than build. I mean, it's fucking pipe.
Yeah.
I like it.
I don't know, but if this thing fits yours good, we need to see if they can make one for E71.
Yeah, I've got the supplier's contact info now, so I'll just do what we usually do. I'll cut the sig lighter part off. So your main supply, and then the jumper leads out to the valves.
So we have the Baba version laying on the ground.
Yes.
And then we have,
Valvetronics above us for the M pipe.
if this works, you can buy it in the description below.
Right? I'll attach a link for your V8 vehicles, for X5s that no one else makes. Now I want to put it on. Alright guys, so I got my X5 behind me. We just took the stock exhaust off right here. Got Andrew currently unpacking the new section. We're gonna get that laid out and start fabbing this thing up and seeing if everything fits from Ling Ling Land. He giggles because it's his people, kinda. Ain't that right? Right. Might also be.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this side.
Ready to see if it'll fit.
About as ready as I'm gonna get, I guess. The only side that concerns me is this bend. Like, that doesn't look near as severe.
Yeah.
They're all adjustable though.
Oh, okay.
Like, I'm not near as concerned about that. We'll see. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I figure we'll hang the muffler first, being that it's got to go through the bumper and build it forward. Kind of. Meet in the middle, something. You either have to guide those tips in, or you can bump that bracket a little bit with an impact to hold it. Yeah, this one's flopping. I can always have Josh fit that.
So first,
First test fit, not gonna work out the bumper. How about your side?
It looks good. I think I'm gonna push it a little bit more.
I could probably get some adjustment maybe out of this side.
well, it looks like it fits outside of the tip.
Yeah, so I think that's their only, so far it looks like that's about their only screw up. It is tight though. Like, we're gonna have to kind of push and adjust as we tighten it, because yeah, that heat shield and stuff, they sucked it up to the body of the car, that's for sure. And I might be able to like bend that and manipulate it some if I have to.
Little hammer action.
Maybe. we'll see.
Hey.
Biggest difference I've heard out of the valves.
Yeah.
N5's pretty, there's a big difference on it.
This is valves open. I'd say it's pretty good. There's a lot of turbo spool.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
I like that part.
Yeah. That's crazy. Good old Baba Special actually sounds good.
It does, man. A little bit of fab and we'll be good.
So the exhaust is fully on except for the tips in the back. Those still have to be
Yeah.
finished up.
we gotta mod that and TIG it and modify it to make it come out. But Josh has been hella busy, so we just decided we'll go ahead and get sound clips with it this way. And then we'll just do a part 2 after he's done with the tips, because I'm probably going to change the midsection, because spoiler alert, I already don't like it, but that's okay. It's just the tone for me is a little different with the valves open, so like cruising slow is really enjoyable.
Yeah.
And then if you're in it, it's kind of like it gets a little raspy.
Gotcha.
But other than that, yeah, we'll try that. They're shut right now.
Oh. You caught it.
Oh, that's nice. Got a lean on my key. I just wanted to show off the subs is all.
I could hear the turbo spool all the way down the street.
Really?
Yeah.